name is Devika. I am a children's book author and illustrator. This week I went to the library and let me tell you, it's very hard to pick up just two books from the wonderful collection the public libraries here have. But I have found two amazing books and I'm really excited to share them with you. So let's start with a healthy note. This is a book. It's called Animal Asanas Yoga for Children. It's an amazing book because it's written by a yoga teacher. Her name is Leila Kadri, Oostendorp, and it's illustrated by Elsa Bahia. It's a wonderful book, and if you want to introduce yoga to your young kids, I highly recommend this book. Okay, so what is special about this book is she has introduced all the yoga poses which have names derived from animals. Like for example, this is a down dog pose, and the Sanskrit name is Adho Mukha Shvanasana, and here she has shown the pose, the dog doing the pose. And if you see, she talks about what are the benefits of this asana and how to start. I mean, what is the initial pose you have to take before you actually go into the down dog pose. So here is a small illustration which shows you how to begin. Then this small illustration shows the actual asana. Then the variations you can try. So she mentions that as well. And after you finish, how to relax. So it's a wonderful book, and there are, I believe there are more than 10 asanas. And if you see the illustrations, they are so beautiful. I mean, just looking at the illustrations and the text, you can tell like how much efforts and she has put, and the illustrator has actually put her heart and soul into it. I love the illustrations, the colors, like for every asanas, they have used different color pages. And not only the illustrations, I love the borders they have given. Overall, this book has a very Indian feel, though it's not written or illustrated by Indian women. I highly recommend this book. It's a great book for young kids of age 6 to 9. It was published last year by Bristol Publication. I think it's a London-based publication. So do check this out. It's an amazing, amazing book. Okay. Now the second book is called Noni Speaks Up. It's written by Hartt-Sussman and it's illustrated by Genevieve Kurt. It's an amazing book again. So it tells you the story about this young girl, Noni. She's a very kind-hearted and sensitive girl. She likes helping others. If you can see, like she gives her seat for the on the bus to the senior. She holds the door open for the pregnant lady, so you can see she's a very good girl. But one day what happens is in her school, her classmates start teasing a boy called Hector. And this time Noni is, she's not sure whether she should intervene or just stay aside and just see what happens to this boy Hector. But you know, she's very upset about her decision, and the next day she stands up for her best friend Hector. And I think this is a great book especially for first and second graders, because it talks about bullying. This book can open up a conversation about not just about bullying, but about empathy, self-respect, and peer pressure. So I think it's a very important book for young kids. The text is very nice. It's an easy read, and if you see the illustrations, they are pure delight. I think this illustrator has used crayons and watercolors, and she has captured the emotions of each and every kid. It's a very good book. It was published in 2016 by Random House, and I think you can find this book anywhere in any bookstore or library. So I have given the links to these two books below. You can check them out. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to this channel. If you have any book recommendations, please mention them in comment. I would love to take a look at them. And before I sign off, tomorrow is a Indian New Year. So I wish all my viewers a very happy New Year and a prosperous New Year ahead. And I'll meet you next week with 2 more amazing books. So see you then. Bye bye.